The next one is also cool, I think. The API gateway now supports TLS 1.3.
Okay, I think that's kind of this is actually what Werner all referred to heavy lifting. So I mean, I don't care much. It's nice that it is added. It was probably a lot of work, and thanks for doing that, AWS.
Yeah, that's a really cool example of what it's when you use serverless architectures. They just optimize over time without much effort on our side. So TLS 1.3, so why is it important? So first, it's about performance. So basically setting up the TLS connection is taking less time. And also they have security improvements in there. For example, also TLS handshakes only support ciphers with perfect forward secrecy, and other things that I don't understand are implemented in there. So that's cool. So it's available for all regional REST APIs, HTTP APIs, and WebSocket endpoints. It's not available for private APIs yet. And there's a little confusion in the documentation and the announcement. So the documentation says it's supported for edge-optimized REST APIs as well. The news doesn't mention that. So I'm not sure, but probably the documentation is more accurate here. Yeah, so check that out. So it should be available by default.